Hello, my name is Greta Davis, and I'm also speaking on behalf of Hazel Ramos Parr, Reina Saffron, and Maya Longoria. We live in Ward 7. We are all Girl Scouts in Troop 81624. We are here because we see homeless people on the streets, and our troop wants to change that. Sadly, we see unhoused people all around the city. Those people who are suffering through houselessness need better care because they don't have help with their mental crises when they get hurt and when they are harassed with no place to be. We are worried that the new Cahoots won't be the same as the old one we had in the past that provided these resources for unhoused people. They deserve good quality resources like we do. We would like to see the new Cahoots be the same or better than the old one in the past. The new Cahoot should go everywhere in town and access all the camps to help the homeless population. They should answer 911 calls. They should have 5 vans instead of 2, and they should have all the resources they need. We would also like to see the city fund the new Cahoots. It would be useful to the city to install a new Cahoots because homeless people are part of the city too. If we support houseless people with their needs early on, we can avoid escalation. It would also benefit the police to have the new Cahoots take some of the calls that go to the police so they can focus their attention on things that need it. Cahoots medics help homeless people with their injuries. That helps decrease the percentage of deaths. We think that having a new Cahoots would benefit the homeless population and the city of Eugene. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Greta.